Hello, everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine and you must have taken the COVID pledge and also properly following the COVID appropriate behavior, right? What are the three things that you should remember? Wash your hands with the soap very frequently, wearing of mask, and then maintaining the social distance. These three, remember and follow them. Okay, we have learned that food is very important for us to get energy to do our work. And we eat our food as per our taste, right? We have variety of foods that we eat. But have you ever thought where do you get these food from? Yes, we get all the food that we eat from plants and animals. Yes, plants give us all the food grains, vegetables, fruits. So plants give us all that. And also we get some of the food from the animals. So our topic for today is food from plants and animals. From plants and animals. Okay. We get all the food that we eat from plants and animals, whatever it might be. Like if it is a food grains, vegetables, fruits, we get that from the plants. And when it comes to animals, we have different kinds of food. First, we will learn about the food that we get from plants. Okay. And when we talk about the different types of food that we get from plants, it's like we get to eat the different parts of the plants. Okay, we eat roots of the plant, we eat the stem of the plant, we eat the leaves of the plant, we eat the seeds of the plant, we eat the fruits of the plant. You might be wondering, how come we are eating seeds, fruits, everything, all these? Yes, you might have noticed that you will be eating some foods like ginger, right? Carrots, radish. You don't see them. These are the roots are the important parts of the plant which grow under the soil. We can't see them. In the same way, carrots, radish, ginger, we don't see them above the soil. We see them growing under the soil. So they are the root part of the plant which we eat. And when we come to stem, you when you imagine looking at the plant, you look at the stem, you will be, how can we eat the stem? Yes, we do eat the stem. The sugar cane, which you enjoy, which is very juicy, that's the stem part of the leaf. That's the best example for the stem part of the leaf which you eat. And leaves, you don't will you be you'll be like, am I going to eat the leaves? Am I a goat or something? No, yes, you will eat the leaves. Leafy vegetables, spinach, mint, coriander, all those are the leaf part of the plant which you eat. And then when it comes to seeds, we have all kinds of food grains like wheat, maize, all those are seeds. Peas, beans, all those are seeds which you eat. And then when you come to fruits, you all have very good knowledge like mango, banana, apple, whatever it is. That's the fruit part which you eat. Okay, carrots, radish, and ginger are the root part of the plant which you eat. When we come to stem, we eat the sugar cane. And leaves, it's the celery, spinach, mint, coriander, or also you get tea. Where do you get tea from? You say tea powder. Where do you get that tea powder from? It's the dried out leaves of the tea plant which is made into tea powder to get the tea. And then seeds. I said wheat, maize, peas, and apart from that, coffee. You enjoy coffee, right? Coffee is also, we get it from the coffee plant seeds. That's the seeds. And then fruits, all it's obvious. You all know that fruits, vegetable fruits are something like, which you directly consume. You know them: mango, banana. I only have to give you examples for fruits, and as well as the vegetables also you get from the plants. Cauliflower also you eat, right? That is also a part of the plant which you eat. And sometimes it is like, you don't directly eat the parts of the plant, you cook them. Okay, and for cooking you use oil as a medium. Oil is used as a cooking medium to cook the different parts of the plant which you get. You don't eat them directly. Okay, all those like spinach, coriander, or the vegetables which you get from the plants, you don't directly eat them, you cook them before you eat. It makes the food tasty as well as easy for the digestion. Okay, that is what is regarding our food from the plants. And then next, when we go to food from the animals, apart from these, only these we eat? No. Every day in the morning, mama gives you a glass full of milk, right? So where do you get that milk from? Do you get the milk also from plants? No, we get milk from animals. And animals, we get so many other things like milk, eggs, meat, honey. Milk, we get it from animals like cow, buffalo, goat, we get milk. Eggs, hen, duck, all those gives you egg. And meat is like you get it from the flesh of, like, you eat fish, goat, all those comes under meat. Honey, yes, exactly. Honeybee. Honeybee collects all the honey and it stores it in the honey hive. So you get it from the honeybee. Honeybee gives you honey. So these are the main foods that we get from the animals. And we have learned now about the food that we get from plants and animals, right? And do you know how do we get that food to our plates or to our home to eat it? Do you directly go to the plant, you collect it, and you eat it? No. There is some process for that. The journey of food. Okay. We all have. We don't go keep them in grow the plant, sow the seeds, grow the plant, and then get the vegetables or fruits and we eat. We don't do that because we are very busy. We don't have time to do all that. But there are people, farmers, who are the most important people. We should pay respect to them. Farmers are the people who actually grow these plants for our vegetables, food grains, or whatever is for useful for our eating. They do all the back end work. They grow all of them, and they collect all of them and they sell it to the wholesaler. Wholesaler is a person who takes all of these food grains and all in a bulk. Bulk means in large quantities. He buys them from the farmer, and then the wholesaler, he again sells it to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper is the person who is in contact with us, like people like us. We go to the shopkeeper and then we buy all the stuff which we want to eat. So we don't directly get the food from the plant. First it is taken collected by the farmers, and then the farmers sell it to the wholesaler. Farmers sell it to wholesaler, right? Then the wholesaler will sell it to the shopkeeper. From the shopkeeper to us. Okay, then we get it from the shopkeeper. Then we buy them, we prepare different kinds of dishes, and then we eat. And India is very famous for its variety of dishes. And this you will be learning later on, depending, yeah, as we have different cultures in our country, there is a variety, huge variety, diversity in the food also that we take, which we will be learning later. So this is about the lesson food from plants and animals. We get different kinds of food from plants and different kinds of food from animals. And the food that we get, it is not directly from the plants we take and eat. There is a process for long process for that. The farmers take all the trouble. They do all the processing. They collect the seeds and all, like they prepare the process of food and then they sell it to the wholesaler. From the wholesaler we get it to the shopkeeper. From the shopkeeper to us. So this is how the journey of the food takes place. I hope you all have understood the lesson. I want you all to read the lesson once so that you understand the step by step process once again. Bye. Take care.